Hey guys, how's it going? Today's video is going to be short, but I really just wanted to share with you some of these awesome 3D printed parts I got for the 4Runner. I actually found these off Etsy. I was just shopping for some other stuff on Etsy, and then I came across these really cool 3D printed parts, and they piqued my interest. So I went ahead and purchased a few of them. I've been using them for a couple weeks now, and I think they're awesome. They're pretty ingenious, actually. And so the sellers were actually also nice enough to offer me a coupon code to share with you guys. So if you see anything you like here, check the description box below for coupon codes. Yeah, so without further ado, let's go ahead and check out the first part. So the 4Runner has these two openings in the center dash here. For whatever reason, Toyota decided to include them. They're, in this awkward position. They're awkwardly shaped. This one's too small for anything. This one's too shallow to put anything in there. So, Toyota does these weird things. But the seller on Etsy created these drawers that go right into them, and they turned them into a functional space now. So this smaller drawer I'm using just for, loose change. Bottom drawer here, I have my sunglasses in here, pens, pencils in there. They're actually lined with felt on the bottom, so it's very functional, and the quality of the plastic is really, really robust. So they're actually really nice hard plastic. So if you're interested in these, they come in different colors. I believe you can also get a coin holder for this large one down here. And yeah, it turns these, non-functional spaces into functional spaces now. If you own a 4Runner, I'm sure you hate the cup holders as much as me. Every time I go to the gym or anytime I put a large bottle in these cup holders, this always happens. And I absolutely hate it. It's so annoying. I don't know why Toyota decided to go with these. So the first part is going to be these newer hard plastic cup holders. So it replaces your old one. It's exactly the same. It's just made of hard plastic, and they also have these cool T4R signs, or you can, ask the maker to print something else, or if you just want it to be blank, you can do that as well. So these new ones sit right here, and it replaces your old one. So they actually have one for the front one here as well, and then they sell a different set for your rear seats as well. So they offer a whole bunch of colors. If you want to customize them to a different color, they can do that as well. But they offer a front set and a two for the rears as well. So far, I'm probably going to throw these guys away. I hate them. So this next piece I just thought was super cool when I found it on Etsy. But for the longest time now, I've been running a fuse into my cabin fuse box. And because of that, I can't run the OEM cover on it. So I've just been rocking without it. But this is actually a fuse box cover extension. And essentially what you do is you take your OEM cover and you just snap it right on, like that. And so now this extension will go on top of your fuse box and allow you to run fuses no problem. So this next one is going to solve all our first world problems. I know we all hate doing this at the gas pump, right? Now with this new 3D printed gas cap holder, insert it, give it a twist, and that's it. Locks in place, comes right out, and that's it. Just replace the bolt here with the one that they supply, and that's it. Comes in multiple different colors. Super cool. So guys, that's it for this video. Like I mentioned, I've been using these 3D printed products for the last couple weeks now, and I've been super happy about them. Who knew I would be so happy about, a cup holder and, these little drawers. They just make the quality of life in a 4Runner, that much better. So, yeah, I think they're super awesome. They're all made with really, really high quality resin, and so these plastics are really nice quality ABS plastics. I don't anticipate them to break or anything like that anytime soon. They come in a bunch of different color combinations, and also, like I said, discount codes in the description below. So if you're looking for any of these, check out the description below for links and coupon codes. So yeah, that's it, guys. If you have any questions or anything like that, comment below. That's it, guys. Thank you guys for checking out this video. I will see you in the next video, which is going to be a really exciting one for me, and I can't wait to show you guys. So yeah, see you guys in the next video, guys.